Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically we're gonna be working with views today. So this is an ASP.NET application, and I'm going to show you this query that is gonna take all the values higher than $10. So that's basically what my view is trying to do here with this controller. So show me all the prices that are higher or equal than $10. So if I come here, you'll see that all of these values are actually in the page, but we don't have this one, one, two, and one. So let's just go back to the application and you'll see that. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to create a SQL query instead of a link query, and I'm gonna get data that way using Entity Framework. So if I come back here and I comment this out, I'm going to create another variable, but that's gonna be actually test. That's gonna be the same name because all my view is already built based on this variable. So I don't want to do that again. So I'm just gonna have to call my context again, my model, which is product, which is right here. So it's basically mapping all my properties from the database, the ID, name, category, price, and description. Those are the same properties you got here: ID, name, category, price, and description. So that's pretty much everything I have here for my model. And here, what I want to do is I want to call my from SQL interpolated method. And then here, I just want to have some space, so I'm just going to put it down here. And I'm gonna have to use this dollar sign and quotation marks. I'm gonna close this as well. Here is where I'm going to put my query. So I could do it from here, or I could do it from SQL Server, and I could just copy and paste it here. So let's try from here. So select everything from product, that's the name of my table. And then let's try to put another condition where product price is higher than $50. Okay, so if I go back to SQL, I'll see that there's only this iPad, which is $1,000, and this one is equal to 50. So we're gonna put like higher or equal so we can have those two products showing up at least. So if I go back to the query, I'll say, you know what? Show me higher or equal than 50. Okay, I think we're all set. I'm going to return the view. I'm going to pass my test variable here, and that's it. So let me show you real quick what's the view about. So I got this name, price, category, got my test variable, and then I got my name, price, and category. That's all that I want to show here. Let's just try to change this just to a different color. I don't know, just for fun. Green. So now we're gonna have a green table. Remember that table was red, kind of reddish. Now it's gonna be green. And that's it. Let me just refresh the controller. Let me just go back to the controller. Control S, and let's see if this is actually working with a SQL query. Okay, let's just go back here, and there you go. We have a green table now, and we have only the products that are higher or equal than $50. I'm basically calling this as a, oh, sorry, that's not a project, it's this one. I'm calling this query right here from the controller, but I'm calling this as a SQL query, not as a link query. So let's try to put a different condition here just to test it out. So I want to have everything from product where product price is higher than $2, right? And let's try to put a different condition here. Let's see what we got. Price. Hmm. Yeah, we don't have too many options here. Let's just try to get the pencil. So that's gonna be a product name. So let's just go back to the query and I'll say instead of product price, it's going to be product name. This is going to be equal to a pencil. I think this should go in quotation marks as well, but it looks like, okay, just give me 1 second. So where product name is equal to pencil, let's see if that works. So it's supposed to get me this one. All right, let's just go back to the controller. Let's just save this and let's see if that works. Like, okay, something is not working here. Let me just copy this query and a way to kind of make it work. It's just going back here and try to paste it. Okay, I got it. So it's because of the quotation marks. So here is like single quotes. So if I execute this, should work. But let's see if we're gonna have some issue with those single quotation marks here. I don't think we will, but let's see. We can just control F5 and we're gonna see if that works. That's gonna be our last example. So this is my controller and there you go. So we have our pencil here working. Price one, category. So that's perfect. So it's basically working with any query that we want. We could just say, you know what, now I want just everything. So show me all the products, everything you got there. Now we got everything here, and that's it. All right, so that was pretty much everything for today. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next video.